How to see all of the people who have raised their hands in a Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be giving you the details on how you can check all of the people who have raised their hands in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So to demonstrate, the first thing that I'm going to do is join any particular Teams meeting. So to join a Teams meeting, I'm going to click onto this meet option and then from here choose any existing meeting. So I'll simply join it by clicking on to this join now button. And now you can see that I am inside this meeting. So now let me raise my hand and assume that someone else has raised this hand. Now to check on all of the people who have raised the hand, all you will need to do is simply click onto this people option at the top, and in this meeting it will show you all of the people who have raised their hands. They will always appear at the top before the ones who haven't. So from here you can find as this number between these two brackets specify that how many people in this meeting have raised their hands. So that's how easily you can find all of the people that have their hands raised in this meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.